Hi guys, April is here and this is my If Only April DIY channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we will be making a set of 20-pound dumbbells.
Finally!
Are you excited? I am so excited. If you've been following me for a while, you've seen that a couple of months ago I made a barbell from cement for my husband, and it's been holding up so great. I mean, the only thing I regret I did is to paint the buckets yellow, because the yellow paint starts like chipping off at some point and leaving some marks. But since we've been using this barbell outside, so it didn't really bother me that much, but keep that in mind. Today we're going to be using this 12 inches galvanized pipes that you can buy in Home Depot or in any department store. I got this little guys, I don't remember the name of it, but I'm gonna find out. I'm just gonna put them on from both sides, and then I'm just gonna stick it into the bucket and we're gonna take it from there. So a few words about the bucket. This is how we're gonna be making the barbell. I had to go through the whole thing in a week, probably. This, I have two containers. I have one from Philadelphia cheese and another one from sour cream, and this is like the ones that you can buy in Costco in bulk. We're just gonna take it from there and see what's gonna happen. You need to weight the galvanized steel pipe with caps on. I assume if you're using PVS pipe, it's not as crucial, but steel pipes are heavy and would add to the calculation. Mine were 1.6 pounds. Then you need to use VASELINE for an easy removal of cement. Then you need to find out how much cement you need to use. You need to measure it and mix it with water as per box instructions. So here's the fun part. I was going for 20-pound dumbbells, but only later I realized that I miscalculated and I used way less cement than I should have. And in the end, my dumbbells came out in 16 pounds each. Ta-da! I mean, my bad, right? Place the pipe in the middle and add cement to the bucket. Do the same thing for another dumbbell too. If you want to avoid bubbles when the cement dries, shake the bucket to let all the air out. I don't think I did that very well, and mine got some bubbles in it. So what I did for the balance, I just like put the little scrap wood pieces over here, and yeah, look at this. It's very, very balanced. I just checked it with this little thing. That's a mistake, don't do that, because it's gonna move the whole thing, and then yeah, so don't do that, but just check it on the side. Yep. So this is the day 3 and I didn't touch it for 3 days. It's very stable, so now I need to take it out from the bucket. So then I tried to take the dumbbells out of the bucket. Remember, I put Vaseline inside in hopes that it will release the bucket and I could use it for another side. Well, that did not work. Maybe I didn't wait for long enough, or maybe it just doesn't work. So basically, it's complete horseshit about Vaseline, because cement's stuck, but there's no way to take it out. At least I can't find a way to take it out, so I have to wait until I get more cream cheese and more sour cream to finish this project. A few weeks later, I was able to continue this concrete dumbbells project, so I mixed cement for another side and repeat the same process as before. Might be a bit difficult to place it straight, so I used my workbench and tied it with a rope to a leg. This way it wasn't moving anywhere and it could just dry perfectly straight. This is the look we're going for, right? I mean, we don't need a skewed dumbbell. If it doesn't want to stand properly, you can always tie it up to something, so I think that will help. And we'll be back in a couple of days and see what's gonna happen. When cement cures, you can start making it to look a lot prettier, or you can leave it as it is. I trained with them for a few weeks before I decided to coat it. So I tried a few things, including wrapping in fabric, which was a complete failure, by the way, and it looks absolutely hideous, before I came up with this brilliant solution. So I have another idea how to seal it, and it is by using the liquid rubber. So I've never tried before, but really hope that something good's gonna come out of it. This product is sold in a spray can, and you can simply spray this DIY dumbbells with it, and when it cures, it becomes like a rubber. It fully coats the cement and handle, and there's no way for cement to chip. I'm not sure how long it will last and how durable it is, but I'll keep you posted, and so far it just looks great, works great, and just perfection. For convenience, I also wrap the handles with a tennis wrap to get a better grip and to be more comfortable to use. Because don't look at the calculation, so I kind of messed it up and I added less cement than I should have. So don't trust my calculations, trust the process and do your own math. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have a lot of fun things planned down the way and I'll see you next week. Bye! So this is how sour cream can get you in shape. Damn, I need to go and work out now.